Hi everyone, today I am going to demonstrate on different types of hairstyles. Let's get started. All we need is three kinds of hair combs. First we need to comb our hair properly so that hair comb can pass smoothly through our hair without any breakage of your hair. Now coming to our first hairstyle. Take a thin partition from your front side hair and keep a tick on it. See, it is so simple. Our first hairstyle is done. Coming to second hairstyle, take a thin partition from your side of the hair and put your tick to it. See, it's really cool. Coming to third hairstyle, it's very simple. Now you need to take one partition from side of your head and place a tick, and hair must fall from that side. Similar the other way also, you must place a tick and hair must fall from the tick. See, it's cool. And the fourth hairstyle, it's simply amazing. Just we need to comb hair and take a side puff twist and keep a tick. See, it's really cool. You can use baby ticks. It looks really amazing. And the coming to fifth hairstyle, take a small portion from your head, twist it and place a baby tick. Similarly, take other small portion of your head and twist and place other baby tick. See, it's very simple and cute. Coming to sixth hairstyle, take a small portion of your head and keep a clutch to the remaining back end hair. Now take small portion from your front hair and take other portion, twist it, roll it and repeat the same thing. Pull the portions so it looks like small puffs, bouncy, and place a tick and adjust the back side hair to the front side like the manner I am showing in this video. So simple party wear style for small parties. Coming to our last hairstyle, it's really simple. Take small portion, instead of puff, place a tick there. So simple. And the last but not least, it is the most trending hairstyle nowadays. We are seeing here and there. Now take one partition, it's like vertical. Twist this hole to that line and place a tick and repeat the process for the three portions of your hair from the side as shown. See, now you can get the idea. You have seen this hairstyle somewhere. Yeah? Hope so you are enjoying our videos. See, When you go for outing, it is the best hairstyle.